Okay, we are recording this. It is Thursday, March the 22nd at 9:25 a.m. here in Hermiston, Tennessee. Today's Zoom quick tip concerns the meeting settings. Before you go to schedule a meeting or start a meeting that you've already scheduled, you need to know what your default settings are in Zoom. There are 60 settings. So what you need to do is review each one of them, make your choices to what state you want each one of these to be in. As I said, there are 60 of them. And basically, once you get them set like you want, then make some sort of checklist so that you can return to that status if you have to change them for one particular meeting. Because what happens is these are basically the default settings for any meetings that you, when you set it up, it defaults to this unless you change it at the meeting on the meeting level. So if you set these defaults to your most used use case, you may have other use cases where you want, like you want the participants to come in with the video on instead of off, but you may change it and then forget to change it back, and that will affect all future meetings that you schedule. So my tip is, once you get your default settings set for your major use case, then make a spreadsheet of that or some sort of list, checklist, so that you can be sure and return them to the state that you want for your most used case, rather than some specialized meeting that you may change them for and forget to change them back. It doesn't take that much time, and that way you always have the settings you actually need for the particular meeting that you're holding. I'm hoping someday the webinar, they have a webinar template that you can save. I'm hoping eventually Zoom will come up with some sort of meeting template that you can save and have a menu of different meetings that would automatically change settings to what you wanted for any particular use case. Anyway, that's my tip for today. And now I'm going to stop recording. Thank you for watching.